So welcome again to my channel, and today I'll just take you through the trade recap I did today, and I'll just be brief here. So as you can see, this was yesterday's low, right? It was yesterday's low. No, it wasn't yesterday's low, it was last week's low, right, on Fridays. And after the price took this in today's price took the sell side liquidity, when it took this sell side liquidity before the 9:30 open, my bias was bullish, and my target was for the price to reach this buy side liquidity, and also to reach for this the midpoint of this fair value for this 1 hour fair value gap, right? So let me just take you to 1 minute chart, and I'll just show you how I entered. So after 9:30 open, I just waited for a first fair value gap, first presentable fair value gap, of which it presented itself at this area, right? And after that, since the price from the start here was bullish, I had to enter my first trade here, right? And afterwards, after I entered here, the price went down, right? And I had to go to a bigger time frame. I just went to 15-minute chart, and I saw there was a huge fair value gap here, right? And at first, the first trade I took here, it was my stop loss was being taken because my stop loss was at this area here, and since the price was going down, I entered at 50 level of the Fibonacci. I entered 50% level. Let me just draw it so that you can just see. I entered at 50 level, and my stop loss was at this level. So my first trade was taken out because I had placed my stop loss at this level. So my first stop loss was taken. I remained with one trade. Yeah, when the price started going up, I took another trade at this level here, and I targeted my first partial at this level, right? So after the price was going through high resistance liquidity run, and I just had to be patient because I knew since the price had taken the sell side liquidity, my target was now the buy side liquidity, right? So I just waited patiently. I just waited for my trades to just pan out very well, and after waiting, my first target was hit. My first target was hit here, and my second target was at this level. But for me, like, I just had that gut that the price will go up to this level, right? So I just had to take my target from here. I placed it here at this level, right? So the price went well. It passed. It was just good. The price was going very well, and after when the price now reached the target that I had placed, this here, it went down at this fair value gap, and since the price was going down and my stop loss was at this level, I saw like the price will go down, and I just had to take the price. I had to take the target that I had reached. Though my target was at this level, and right now it's heading towards my target, but it's fine, right? As long as I had gotten some profit, I'm just good. Tomorrow there will be another opportunity, and all is well. So let me take you to 5 minutes. So this was my trade. It just went from those accumulation at this area, right? The price was accumulating, right? And it wasn't good for entry, yeah. But afterwards, after the price, let me just go to 1 minute. You see, when the price left this, it left this first presentable fair value gap, it came down and touched with it, just wicked the gap before it started just going up, right? So the price went well until now. The price was going low, and I just had to take the target, that the profit that I had left in the market. So I'll just show you my entries. Yeah, so not here. I'll just show you my entries. You see this, that was my first entry, and I got stopped out. Yeah, so I entered this is the 50 level of that 15-minute fair value gap, right? And I also entered here. So my first partial was at this, it was a relatively equal highs. I took my first partial here, and you see when now the price was dropping after. Okay, my first target, my initial target was here, but I had just raised, I raised it to the buy side liquidity. So when the price just hit here, it just came back, and when I saw the price was going down, I just had to take the rest of the rest of the trade that I was holding. Yeah, it was just one trade, and I just had to take it, right? So it was a good one. Yeah, even though right now the price is heading toward my target, it was a good one. And yeah, if you entered this trade, it was a nice one. Yeah, if you didn't, just have to wait. Tomorrow there'll be another opportunity. And yeah, so I'll just show you my entries and the profit that I got today. So you see, my weekly target is 175 handles, and today I managed to get 128 handles. So with that, I've just remained with around 50 handles, right? And yeah, so for tomorrow, what will happen tomorrow, it's just good. So for now, just take care and be safe.